So you guys are gonna have to enjoy yourself today, tonight, and tomorrow. Sunday's gonna be the hangover time, okay? So enjoy.
I think that I've been here before. Through the fire, I walk alone. I was stuck in the moment. I couldn't see through the smoke in front of me. Now I know where I'm going, so I gotta leave.
We are the marketing team!
I'm on my way. I see the road in front of me. I'm on my way. Finally where I'm supposed to be. I'm finding my own place. I'm running my own race. You can say it's impossible, but I'm on my way.
We are Cluster West!
I'm on my way, and nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me.
At the year-end party, it's family reunion from now on. That's what it's gonna be. All right, just keep that in mind.
Ooh, nothing like I used to be. Yeah, I was stuck in the moment.
This seminar or conference is very important kasi all of the learnings are, you get to share it with your team as well.
So I gotta leave. I'm on my way.
We are the HR and billing
I see the road in front of me. I'm on my way.
We are Cluster North!
Finally where I'm supposed to be. I'm finding
Don't be afraid to pitch in. If you have idea, you may never know that idea will help your team, your organization.
I'm on my way.
We are Cluster East!
Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me.
We are the Global Learning and Client Services team!
Alright, everything is alright. Hold tight, everything is alright.
We are Cluster South!
Nothing can stop me. Alright, everything is alright. Alright, everything is alright. Hold tight, everything is alright.
We are the sales team!
I'm on my way. I see the road in front of me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Finally where I'm supposed to be. I'm finding my own place. I'm running my own race. You can say it's impossible, but I'm on my way.
And again, we're family here. We're not against each other. Okay, we will grow. We will do everything and we'll make it to the top, guys, because we are.
We are Mercedes!
Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me.
Mercedes on the way to success!
Sasamahan kita. Sasamahan kita.
Again, let's enjoy the night and have some fun because we are.
Mimithi, inaasam, pangarap na walang hanggan. Bawat ngiti, nagniningning, magsisilbing liwanag sa dilim. Natatanaw mo ba? Maaabot mo ba?
So it was really crazy. My family and I are overwhelmed with all the blessings we have been receiving for the last 4 years. And this would not be possible without
Alala, sasamahan kita. Buksan ang kinabukasan, tuklasin ang kayamanan ng puso, nangangarap. Bawat hakbang patungo sa pangarap. 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 na nakaraan.
Because we will only have one time.
Gamitin ang iyong lakas para maiangat ang iyong antas. Mula sa baba, ngayon nasa taas.
Basically, the best time wins.
Kami aalalay iyong kaagapay. Sa bawat hakbang meron ka ng karamay. Hanggang sa tagumpay, ika'y magtatagumpay. Ang imposible ay kaya.
And there is also a mind game.
Sama-sama, kaya huwag mag-alala. Sasamahan kita. Buksan ang kinabukasan. Tuklasin ang kayamanan ng puso. Lumalaban. Bawat hakbang patungo sa pangarap. 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 Sasamahan kita, huwag kang mag-alala. Sasamahan
Thank you, Virtudes
kita,
Pamilya.
di ka na
Salamat!
mawawala. Sasamahan kita, meron ka ng kasangga. Sasamahan kita, di ka
I can't emphasize enough how blessed I am to be part of a fun, dynamic, and supportive environment. It's the Virtudes culture, a company that values a well-balanced life.
wala. Sasamahan kita, meron ka ng kasangga. Sasamahan kita, di ka na mag-iisa. Buksan ang kinabukasan. Tuklasin ang kayamanan ng puso. Lumalaban. Bawat hakbang patungo sa pangarap. Buksan ang kinabukasan. Tuklasin ang kayamanan ng puso. Lumalaban. Bawat hakbang patungo sa pangarap. 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 Pangarap.
Yes, indeed, we are Virtudes, and again,